Now I want to show you the power you can have in the Forex. You may have already seen this before becoming a gold member, but if you haven't, let me show you what the Forex can do for you. The examples I show here are small examples, but as I explain later, you can make multiple times the money here in the exact same trades. It's just a matter of trading larger. The Forex is the largest financial market in the world. Even if you combine the stock market, the bond market, and all other financial markets together, it doesn't even come close to the size of the Forex. The Forex has a daily trade in excess of $3 trillion. That's 3 with 12 zeros after it. That's a huge amount of money going through the Forex daily, and what's best is it's constantly growing. It's where the millionaires and billionaires trade. It's where millions and billions are created. There is just so much potential and opportunity here that it truly is an amazing place for the individual to grow larger than his or her wildest dreams. The Forex is the only professional platform where you can work for yourself and make money immediately. All other avenues cannot compete with the speed at which money can be made here. It truly is a place for the individual to become financially free. Let's take a closer look at the trades that show you how easily and quickly profits can be made with the moves that take place in the Forex. Now don't worry if you don't understand how to read or follow the charts that you're going to be shown. All you need to know right now is that when the chart goes up, prices are rising, and when the chart goes down, prices are falling. In the training, we will go through exactly how to read these charts and what they mean, and of course how to take advantage of these price movements to make money. You're also going to be shown now some trades where money is made even though the price of the currency fell. This is also something that we're going to cover in Module 1, how exactly we make money in both directions, when the price goes up and when the price goes down. Let's see those examples now. Well, here's a move in the Forex in one of the currency pairs where we would buy and sell as indicated, taking advantage of this big move in the currency pair. And this will give us a profit of $800 in just over 4.5 hours. That is only buying a small amount. If you bought more currency, you would make multiple times this amount in the same trade. Here's another trade where we would sell and buy as indicated. This would result in a profit of $630 in just one day. You just put on the trade and you walk away. And again, this is only trading a small amount. If you trade more currency, you can make multiple times this much. As you can see, we're going to show you how to make money even when the price of the currency is falling. Now here we have another move where many traders can't really take advantage because prices are going sideways. But with the trading expertise I'm going to give you, you're going to be able to take advantage of charts like this, where you would buy and sell as indicated. This giving you a profit of $520 in 3 hours. Again, another sell and buy. This giving you a profit of $380 in just over an hour. And again, another buy and sell. This giving you a profit of $450 in 2 hours. This is all within the space of a few hours. So we're going to show you how to profit from a sideways market as well. Here is an example of a big move in a currency pair. You would enter and exit as shown. This will give you a profit of $6,630 in just over 2 months. Now you just spend less than 2 minutes putting on the trade, and you let the market work for you while you sit back and relax. Again, here is another trade where you would enter and exit as shown on a smaller time frame, but this makes $900 profit in just over 3 days. The potential here is phenomenal, and these are of course conservative numbers, as you can make multiple times these amounts. You just have to trade more currency. As you grow your money, you will be able to trade larger amounts. So these same trades that you will be doing will be bringing you in even more money. This is how fortunes are created in the market, and how individuals can grow larger than big institutions. Trading now is a level playing field, where the small guy can now take a piece of the pie. And believe you me, it's a very tasty pie. That reminds me of a student of mine. His name's David. And when he first started out, he didn't have much. He gave his story of how he was struggling financially, had bills mounting up, the responsibility of taking care of his family, and he was running out of money. But he really wanted to learn how to trade the Forex and really wanted to give it all of his effort. David sticks out in my mind the most out of all my students at this point in time because he worked hard, he followed my training, my advice, he understood the potential here, and decided that he will be successful at Forex trading. With that decision, he totally turned around his life. I commend him for doing that because it is tough being in financial distress. I've been there myself and I understand and appreciate what it takes to make it when you're in financial problems. And that's because I did it from having nothing. Actually, I did it from being in debt. And so I could relate to the joy David had when he got back to me and told me that he's actually trading very successfully in the Forex. He built his way up from making a few $100s a week to a few $100s a day. And then he really started to take off. I mean, he started hitting thousands a day, and now as of this video recording, he's making $10,000 a day. Not too shabby for someone who was near financial ruin. He did have to build up, but look at where he is now. That's how great the Forex is, and anyone can do it. You just need to put in the effort and follow out the training. Who knows, maybe one day I'll be talking about you in one of my videos. Let's hope so. With that thought, I'm going to finish off this video. This is Kumar for Trade to Success University. Continue on to the next page to access the Module 1 exercise, and I'll see you in Module 2.